Hello again. I'm sure you've seen my previous video about the iodine clocks experiment that I recently conducted. Now I'd like to perform a live demo so that you can see what I spoke about chemically into action. Here is the solution that is clear and that I mixed with pitchers A and B, which have two different solutions. One with the mix of vitamin C and colorless I- ions, which is pitcher A, and pitcher B, which is the other one with the hydrogen peroxide and the starch. So I'm just going to hold it, and eventually it should change color to dark blue / blackish color. So just bear with me and watch. And it changed color just as predicted. Thank you for your time.